Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be changing out some solenoids of this 2005 Chevy Trailblazer. um, Issue I had was we had the gears were shifting fine, and then all of a sudden they just quit shifting and you couldn't get it to go into any gear. I got some solenoids we're going to try to change out. Hopefully that'll fix it. I've got some in the mail. Was delivered the other day. I was supposed to get the other ones yesterday, but they didn't come. So it says they're out for delivery today. So hopefully we'll get them by this evening. We're going to go ahead and start on the process. I've got to go to the auto store, get some transmission fluid. And so yeah, we're going to go do that. And we'll come back. We'll get this thing jacked up and start tearing stuff apart. And hopefully we'll get our other parts by the time we're ready for them. Alright guys, we're back from the auto parts store. Went ahead. We got a couple quarts of transmission fluid. Got a drain pan here. Try to catch what we can. Went ahead and started up the heater over here. It's a little chilly in here. I think it's 39 degrees. So we're gonna let it warm up in here a little bit. As soon as it warms up, we'll come back out here and get to work. First thing we gotta do is take this staple out here so we take this linkage out of this little bracket. I'm just going to take out all these transmission pan bolts and then lower it down, trying to get transmission fluid everywhere. Got the pan out, got it cleaned up. I got a new gasket on the way. We'll probably take this one off and replace it. I just got to wait till it gets here in a little bit. So we got it cleaned up. We got the pan under there, caught most of it. We missed a little bit right there, but it'll be all right. We'll get it cleaned up here. We'll go ahead and start swapping out parts. Alright, now we're going to take out this filter. It just pulls down and then it comes out right here. And then we'll be able to get to our parts we want. Just take out the filter and drain the access out. I record on my phone, so I can't really do all that. But I'm going to take it out and I'll show you after I get it out. Alright, here's one of them we're going to change out. Here's the part numbers. This is going to be our other one. And here's the part numbers on that. And I got two more, hopefully are going to be here really soon to change out. So I'll show you those when I get them. I've got the filter off. That's got it in the drain pan there. There's the transmission. The first two I'm going to change are right here and right there with that orange. This is one of them we got to change. This is the other one. The two that I have coming should be derived here in a little bit. It's right here and right here. I got a new filter and a new gasket that is on the way. So we'll hopefully change those out and see if it's good to go. There's a little clip in here that you pull out with a little screwdriver. They free these up. Just pop off this. Pretty good enough. My hand probably. Pull that out and then flip this around where you can see that little clip. And you want to stick your screwdriver in there or whatever you have to get into there. Pop that thing out. Just a little clip. I don't know if you see me pop it out, but just put your screwdriver in there. Pop out that little clip. Pull it out. There's the first part. Alright, here's the old one. Here's the new one. That's the old one. Here's the new one. Let's go in. Let's go in, pop it back in. Kind of got to push hard. I had to put my phone down for a second. Just push it hard It'll pop in, and then you gotta get your little clip here. Shove it back in, and then clip. There's one down. So pop this clip up. Alright, there's that. We gotta find that little clip inside here. I'm gonna have to move some stuff. But just get this clip, pop it out, pop it out. I'm gonna be back. Alright, here's our new part. We got the other one out. It's kind of like spring loaded. When I pop this little tab out, it like shot out onto the ground. So just be aware of that. This one has like a spring in it. So I'll set you down. Maybe you can see what's going on. So put it up in here. Push it in there. Clip in there. Don't drop the clip. Clip in. Push it in. Snap this back in. There's two down. Basically the same thing for these back two. Just wait on the parts. So hopefully they get here and we can go ahead and get that done. So it's been 5 days since we worked on the car last. We had a shipping issue. Amazon got it resolved. So it says our parts is in the mailbox. We're gonna go down and grab them and get back to working on this thing. We had a winter storm here. So I had a lot of debris and trees get blown down. We'll go check the mailbox. Hopefully our package is in there that we're looking for. I'm gonna get this thing up and running today and take it for a test spin. Here's the part number. Here's what the part looks like. I got two of them. They're identical. They say you want to change both these at the same time. I think it's the 1, 2, and the 3, 4 shift solenoid. So let's get these ones in there and we'll get it wrapped up. Alright, we gotta get this old gasket off. I'm just gonna take a putty knife, go around the side of it, try to get this one off so we can put the new one on. There's that one. Alright, these are the two parts we need to change. So we just need to pop this out. Get our little screwdriver, pop out that pin. Same with this one, pop that off, pop out the pin, pull them out. I'm just using this little precision screwdriver. I get one of these pretty much anywhere. I think these might even be Harbor Freight, or you can get them at AutoZone, Walmart. Just a little precision screwdriver, just small enough to get in there. Again, this one's kind of spring loaded, so hold pressure on that one when you try to take it out. So both the ones on the driver's side are kind of spring loaded. Two on the passenger, you can just take them out. Don't really have to hold pressure. The other two have a little bit of resistance.
Alright, that's all 4 of those. We just got to get our pan on here with our new gasket, and then get the bolts in there, and we should have this wrapped up. Alright, so we got our new filter. It goes in right here. Just kind of get it back into place there. Alright. Now we gotta get our pan and our gasket and throw it on. Alright, what I did, I put 1 bolt on this side, 1 bolt on this back side, just to kind of help the gasket keep lined up, and put the pan up there. Now we're going to go around, put the rest of the bolts in. I know you guys don't really have a good angle, but kind of keep you out of the fluid. Want to thread them all by hand. Make sure we don't get a cross thread or something. And then we'll snug them up with the drill. I'm going to leave them a little loose so you can move the pan around, kind of like I just had to get that one lined up right. Alright, now we're just going to snug them up. We're not tightening yet, we're just getting them snug. Now we'll tighten them up. You want to go at a cross pattern so you don't unevenly do this. And then put your linkage back in, and don't forget that little staple slides back into there. And then everything's finished up underneath here, so let's go add some fluid. There's our transmission dipstick. That's where we fill up the transmission fluid. I'm gonna put a couple quarts in here and then get it warmed up, and then we'll recheck it. Alright, we got it running. Everything's finished up. I'm letting it warm up, checking the fluid levels. I might have to add a little bit more. I probably won't test it tonight because we're getting another snowstorm, and it's just now starting, but it's going to be coming down pretty good, I think, in a little bit. Alright guys, so I think I need about 1 more quart of fluid, so I'm going to stop by tomorrow on my way home and get that, and then we'll try to get this thing test drove and see if it does indeed fix it or not. So far everything's working good. It shifts, it moves, but it was doing that when it was cold before. That's when it got hot, is when it had issues. Let's get some more fluid. I need about another quart, so we're going to top that off tomorrow, and then hopefully, weather permitting, we're going to try to take a test drive. Got all the parts switched out. Seems like it's driving pretty good. If you guys learned anything or liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I post all kinds of different content. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.